In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow camera access in Telegram. If you've tried to start a video call or record a video message and Telegram can't use your camera, it usually means the app doesn't have the right permission. I'll walk you through what to change on Android, iPhone, or iPad, and on desktop, so Telegram can access your camera safely and only when you want it to. On Android, start by opening your device's Settings app. The exact wording varies by device, but look for Apps, Applications, or Apps and Notifications. Open that, then scroll or use the search bar to find Telegram and tap it. Next, go to Permissions. Here you'll see a list of features Telegram can request. Tap Camera, then choose Allow or Allow only while using the app. Allow only while using the app is a great balance between convenience and privacy, because it grants access only when Telegram is open on your screen. If you ever previously denied the camera, changing it here will immediately fix that. On iPhone or iPad, open the main Settings app first. Scroll to Privacy and Security. Then tap Camera in the list of apps, locate Telegram and turn the switch on so it's green. That tells iOS to let Telegram use the camera. If you don't see Telegram listed, it may not have asked for camera access yet. The next time you try to record a video message or start a video call in Telegram, you'll be prompted. After turning the toggle on, Telegram will be able to access the camera whenever you use those features. On desktop, begin with Windows Settings. Open Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Then choose Camera. First, make sure the global option, Let Apps Access Your Camera, is enabled. Then, in the list below, verify that Telegram is allowed. This ensures Windows isn't blocking the camera before Telegram even tries to use it. If you prefer to choose your exact camera inside the app, open Telegram Desktop, go to Settings, then call Settings, and select the camera input you want Telegram to use. That's helpful if you have multiple webcams or a capture device connected. Once these permissions are set, Telegram will use your camera the next time you start a video call, join a voice chat with video, or record a video message. If the camera still doesn't appear, closing and reopening Telegram can refresh the permission. Keeping your device software and the Telegram app updated also helps ensure everything works smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching.